was a warm October morning when I joined a few friends to explore an abandoned gold mine. It's less than an hour from my house, but it was the first time I'd ever actually looked at it. People had come from all over Japan to see what was left of mining in this tiny corner of Hokkaido. The origins of the mine date back to 1916, or Taisho 5 under the Japanese calendar system, when a local farmer discovered a gold nugget. In 1936, or Showa 11, it boasted the fourth largest output of gold in Hokkaido, and this now sleepy town was home to around 10,000 people. By 1943, the government had passed laws to stop mining as it was seen as unnecessary during the war. As a side note, there were some high output mines that remained open. On March 31st, 1943, the mine was forced into closure. The mine sent its unprocessed ore to Tokyo in the beginning, but started processing its own around 1934, and the remains of the smelter are still visible. Other memorable ruins are a water supply, wastewater processing area, and a large smokestack, complete with scratches from a Hokkaido brown bear. It was nice to learn new things and be able to meet new people interested in the history and ruins of Hokkaido. We exchanged stories and tips and laughed at shared anecdotes. After lunch, everyone returned to their homes all over the country: Kushiro, Sapporo, Tokyo. But it left me thinking how lucky we are to have friends, and how starved I've been of friendship during this pandemic. Anyway, keep exploring, and I'll see you next time.